Ishe chomairach ledrolin taspi. Nura hogshe and kalin fujara. Okay, someone want to put some water on it? Actually, I think we need some water in there. It's empty. Yeah. Good. Iver twijeg. Vishi in a sea la kupla kalinella egamord and akalish.
Vishi in the sea la kupla kalinella egamord and akalish.
So Vishi in a sea, she was sitting. Literally, she was in her sitting. Vishi in a sea. How would you say he was sitting?
Vishi in a he.
In a he. Vishi in a he. Okay. So Vishi in a sea, she was sitting, le kupla kalin ella, with a couple other girls. Okay. Okay, and kupla can mean couple or few sometimes. Okay, le kupla kalin ella, literally a couple girls other. Okay. Egamord is at the table, and Akalesh is next to him.
Egamord and Akalesh.
How would you say next to me?
In
Akalon. Okay. How about next to her? Inakale. Okay. How about next to John? Inakaleshan. Leshan. Yeah, le doesn't aspirate. Okay. Alright, so we already read it. So, we're Kaherjeg. Her a gaira drippling glunder trij. So her laughter sent a spark of joy through him. Okay, so gaira is laughter. We had it as laughing also, to be laughing, but it's also just laughter. A gaira is her laughter. How would you say his laughter? A gaira. How do you say my laughter? A gaira. So her a gaira, her laughter put. Drickling is a spark. Okay? Glunder is of joy. So one thing you can say, someone is really happy. Glunder air. There's joy on him. Okay? Alright?
How do you say, are you really happy?
We can say, it'd be a funny thing to ask someone. You tend to use it because it's kind of more of a...
Observation?
Yeah, you wouldn't necessarily ask someone that. You could maybe comment on someone. You say, "Nachol glunderort," and aren't you? You know, it's more like giddy or kind of happy. So, yeah, so you probably wouldn't ask someone that specifically. If there's glunder on them, you'd tell. Okay. Okay, so her gaira dripping glunder, so a spark of joy. Trij is through him. Okay, the word tree looks like number 3, also means through. Trij is through him, and if you look at your charts, there's the other forms, which I'm not going to go into today. Okay, Trij through him. Okay. And then, Ibra Koijeg, number 15. Her a gnush allen agus a folk buiwan fui riecht a. So her beautiful face and her light blonde hair enchanted him. Okay, so her is put. Gnush is face. A gnush is her face. Allen is beautiful. A gnush allen, her beautiful face. Agus a folk. Folk is used for hair. It's basically her set of hair. Okay. Buiwan is sort of a kind of, Bui is yellow and Bon is white, so kind of a light blonde, yeah. Okay. No, because it's 2 words stuck together. It's a compound, so you don't have to do it. Yeah, Buiwan. Fui Riecht is enchanted him, or really what you say is to enchant is you put someone under magic. Okay? So her is put, all of this. Fui Riecht is under magic, A is him. Yeah, Driecht is magic, Fui Riecht. Fui Riecht, yeah. Yeah.
Do you actually say the hard T at the end?
Fui Riecht, yeah. Fui Riecht, A.
Put under, fui is put under.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Not
under.
just under, but it's put under.
Under me.
Yeah. To be under magic is to be enchanted. Fui hriach. Okay.
We by itself is
Fui is under.
just under.
Under or about or 100 other things. But yeah. The main spatial meaning is under. Okay. You can't really give one meaning to a lot of these because it doesn't match English exactly. So, okay, so Hurgnush Allen agus a Folk Buiwan Fui Hriachte. Okay, and why don't we have a break now?
Yeah, Fui has like a column and a half in this thing.
Yeah, Fui has a lot of meanings. You have to learn a lot of times it's a combination of words that have a meaning, and you have to learn these 5 words put together have a meaning, and whichever ones need to change. So if there's a verb in it, the verb is going to change to match whoever it is that it goes with. And it does prep.
Folk is hair.
Yeah, gruig is the normal word for hair, gruig. Folk is used for like a covering of hair too. So.
Shanti, I want to know how to pronounce the word for oatmeal and why it's